some racks, that shit straight out the bank. My bro got the link, about to sit on the drink. My little niggas told me they ready for war. They fall deep in the car, turn that whip to a tank. My diamonds too wet like they fresh out the sink. I just caught the new stick like some pun make a stain. My little niggas told me they ready for water, for sticks in the car and they might make it rain. I just got some racks, that shit straight out the bank. My bro got the link.
What's up, Monetjiah? My name is Monetjiah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make an advanced intro on your iPhone. This is beginner friendly, so if you're just starting the channel, this would be something that you could look into. I'm going to also show you guys the apps that I'm going to be using. Let's just get right into the video. I took all the pictures that I'm going to be using and put them into an album since I didn't want to be scrolling through pictures trying to find the pictures that I want to use. I just picked some pictures off Google. You could basically just Google what you want to use to make stuff faster. I will show y'all the search of me finding the stuff, but it's going to be too long. The first app I will be using is called Video Leap. You can find it in the App Store. And I go to New Project. Just like most apps, this app has some features that you have to pay for. You press the plus sign, then it's going to take you to your album and you just scroll up and find a picture that you want to use as your background. I chose this Louis Vuitton background because I thought it was so cute in fall and Halloween colors. To fit it to the screen, you click on canvas and you press 16:9, that's the YouTube side. Then you click on the picture and go to transform. When you click on transform, it's going to press fill, it's going to fit it to the screen all the way. So I went back to my album and I chose this white grid that I found off Google. You could just search a white grid. Again, you don't have to do this stuff. This is just something I want to do. I thought would make it look cute. So you click on the grid, transform again, and you press fill, fit it to the screen. I also changed the opacity of the picture because I wanted to blend in with the background a little bit. I went to blending so I can blend it with the background, and I put it to soft light. So then I went into PixArt to create my font because they have better looking font than Video Leap has. Font, then you go to color background, so you pick the transparent one. And you pick whatever font you want to use. And you type in the name that you're going to put, like your channel name. Also, some of the fonts you have to pay for, but I actually pay for the whole app, so I can use unlimited fonts. Yeah, so right now I'm just finding the color that I want to go with my theme of my background colors on my intro. So I went with the orange and white because I think it looks good. And I'm going to put the stroke black because I just think it looks good that way. The color is black and you're going to fit it to the size of the other font so that it can line up with it. And also just look cute, period, and there you go. So now you're just going to start adding the pictures that you want to use on your intro. And I already cut these pictures out in background eraser. Or you can cut them out in PixArt and just save them as a transparent and use it that way. But yeah, that's what I did. And I'm just sizing the pictures up in the position that I want them to be in, period. And I'm only gonna add 2 pictures on the front, the first slide. So now I'm gonna go to animations, and this is where you go to like get that effect of your picture floating or wiggling or moving around. And when I go to that, I'm gonna choose wiggle so my pictures can just be moving. You see how it just moves? See how it just moves and stuff when you do what you do. And I like that effect. You do it for both pictures. I also did it for the font too. Like, it's just gonna be cute after it's put together and everything. Make sure y'all slide everything on the slide to the end, because if not, if you leave the app and come back, it's gonna be deleted, like it's gonna disappear. So you want to make sure everything is at the same time. Y'all, it's really late at night. This is crackhead hours that I'm doing this. I'm doing this at crackhead hours. This is how you know I really love y'all. That's the sound of M&M's. They taste good. I had to hit y'all with that little ASMR real quick. Right now, I'm gonna go to effects and I'm gonna add some effects. And you already know. Well, y'all don't know. But I'm gonna pick Prism because it give it that little magnifying glass looking look, because that look good right there. That looks so good, like when your picture be vibrating and stuff, and when you get that little vibrate jiggle jiggle wiggle situation going on. But you gonna add vibrate to it too, because vibrate is what's gonna make it jump. It's gonna make it jump, sis. But I don't know. I feel like I should have put it in a different spot because it's messing with the way my butt look, and I don't like that. I don't like that. Like, look, it making it like my butt stuck out. I mean, my butt is stuck out, but it's just making it look like a cone or something. Y'all see what I'm talking about, right? Y'all see it. I might just be tripping though. Might just be tripping. Y'all still up bounce, sticky, bounce, sticky, bounce, sticky. What the song called? I don't know what the damn song called. But look at it, look at it, look at it. Ooh, ooh, cute. Y'all see that? Hold on. Y'all see it? All right. Press play again. Ooh. I'ma make it wiggle a little. Teddy baby wanna get in the middle. Bounce shit. Every time I get ready to record a video, everybody wanna blow up my notifications like, baby, chill. Play my phone dry as food. Edit RBG or whatever that shit called. Wait, what is it called? RBG, RBF or something. Y'all see it, because I can't really see it because the recorded button anyway. But it just looks like it's glitch a little bit. So I really like that effect. Just give it that little look. That little TV personality look. Period. So I'm just going in here and finding this little sparkle glitter thing that I found online. Actually, it's not even sparkles. I just looked up stars. And then I looked up transparent stars. It looks so shapappin'. All you gotta do is make that float or something. Or wiggle. And it'll just look like everything is bouncing and moving. How cool is that? How cool is that? I bet y'all like this bitch really finna talk the whole voiceover. Cause I do talk a lot. But I'm probably not gonna talk the whole voiceover. I'm just jumping in parts that y'all probably don't know to let y'all know. And this right here putting up my picture, I had to go back.
Basically, this is the second slide. And you gotta do the same thing that you did in the first slide. And you're trying to get the picture to fit to the screen. So I did 3 different slides, but I did all of them like by itself instead of on the same, on the same thing. I did all of them in different sessions or whatever, because I didn't want to get confused with all the slides and shit, and I just added them all together at the end. Trying to play around with it so I can get 2 different color oranges, because I don't like the orange and white. So if I get the 2 orange colors, then it'll go good with the background. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all see? Like that. To put y'all on real quick, I haven't figured out the whole curved edges up in this app yet. I don't know if they got it, but I don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna show y'all a hack on a way to make it look like it's still inside the phone without, cause you see how it's like that big space right there. Either the phone too big for the video too big for the phone. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Basically, all you do is you get the black blank photo and just sit it inside the phone so it can just look like a black screen, right? Then you get your video and you sit it on top of the black screen. Then it's just gonna look like the phone screen. It's just gonna like it go with the phone. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. But that's what you do. You hit that arrange button to make it look like it's inside the phone. And take it, go! Boom! Voila! Get you some butterflies that's transparent. You make them big and you make them float so they can move around. so they can move around and it could just look like some type of overlay or whatever for your video. On to the next slide. Yeah, basically, for the last slide, it's like super simple, super easy, and all you gotta do is just watch the video, and it'll kind of be the same steps from the previous two slides, but it's gonna be simple. Now we finna hit the motherfucking iMovie to put all the videos together. Period. This is where it's come together at. And this is where you add your green screens and stuff. Stuffity, stuffity, stuff. So boom. Go to your videos. And then you look for the green screen that you're going to add up in your video. And you size up the size. And you press on it. And it's going to ask you to do green screen, blue screen. Basically, I'm about to add this video recording green screen. I've been seeing this on a lot of people's videos, and I just thought it was cool. Look at it, look at it. Don't it look shabappy? Y'all already know if it's not my baby song, I don't want it on my video. If it's not his song, I don't want it on my intro. Like, From now on, I'm only doing his songs on my intro. Okay. Okay. Period. Don't even play with me like that. You know. But y'all better go cop that out the bank. That CG text out the bank. Period.
My neck froze, yeah. And after I fucked her one night, yeah, blocked the number, leave me alone. That bitch steady calling my phone. She wondering if I was home, but I'm always gone. I just got some racks, straight out the bank. My bro got the link, about to sit on the drink. My little niggas told me they ready for water, for deep in the country, they went to a tank.
That's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. Join Mo Nation. Like I always say, if you're not joining Mo Nation, then what are you doing? What are you doing? Bye.
My neck froze, yeah. And after I fucked her one night, yeah, blocked the number, leave me alone. That bitch steady calling my phone. She wondering if I was home, but I'm always gone. I just got some racks, straight out the bank. My bro got the link, about to sit on the drink. My little niggas told me they ready for water, for deep in the country, they went to a tank. No gas and this shit come exotic. I pop me a perk, now I'm out of my body. I see it, I want it, I buy it, I cop it. I'm doing too much.